Hello everyone, let us start new chapter, that is water. Water a precious resource. We all know that water is most important for our life. For all living organism, water is most important. Without water we can't survive. Even all cellular activities takes place in living organism in presence of water only, because water provides a fluid medium. Okay, if we talk about our body, then in our body 70% water is found. In earth as well 70% water is found, and our body as well. In our body also 70% of water is found. That means our body consists 70% water and 30% rest of the thing, as earth consists 70% water and 30% land. Okay, now what are other importance of water? Water is essential for photosynthesis, for seed germination, for transfer of nutrients in plants. What is photosynthesis? Photosynthesis is a process of, in our chapter 1 we all have studied, right? What is photosynthesis? It is a process of food formation, making of food inside the body of plant by using raw materials like carbon dioxide and water. So water is important for photosynthesis. Without water, this process can't be done in plant's body, right? Next, seed germination. For germination of seed, we studied seed germination in reproduction in plants chapter. So seed germination also required proper moisture, water. So without water it can't germinate. Okay. Next, transfer of nutrients in plants takes place in presence of water only. So water is required by plants for transfer of nutrients, because in fluid medium the rest of the things can mix with the water and it can be supplied to each and every part of the plant body. So rest of the things, all the nutrients mix with water and finally get transferred to various parts of plant body. So for transfer of nutrients also water is required. Without water we can't imagine our life. It is not, we can't survive actually without water. It also regulates body temperature of all living plants and animals. Our body temperature is maintained by water. Sweating. Sweating is a process of removal of body heat actually. Our body heat is released during sweating. Sweating is what? Sweating is the excretion of unnecessary materials from the body surface. During sweating, what happens? The sweat moves out from our body surface by the process of evaporation. For the process of evaporation also heat is required. So after sweating, body heat is released. Body heat is actually maintained. It is minimized. Okay, so just like that, transpiration process in plant, transpiration evaporation process of plant also do the same thing. It also decreases, minimizes the body temperature of plants. So in that way plant water is having also role in regulating the body temperature of living organisms. So body temperature can be maintained by water. So water is important for all aspects of life, for everywhere it is important. Without water no life can be there. Now, how much water is available in this world? What are the percentage of water that is available on our earth? Well, 97.5% is found in sea and ocean. We know that 70% of earth's land is water and 70% is water and 30% is land. Out of that 70% of water, 97.5% is sea and ocean water, that is saline water or salty water. So we can't use the saline water and salty water because it is not fit for drinking. This is not potable. So this water, so maximum percentage of water is saline water that can't be used. Now rest of the 2.5, out of that rest of the 2.5, out of these this rest 2.5, there are 1.7% is frozen water that is found in glaciers, in the mountain caps, polar ice caps. In polar region, we know that in North Pole and South Pole, everywhere there is frozen ice actually. So that ice cap, that is frozen form of water. And in glaciers found in the mountains. So on the mountain cap as well, there is ice cap glacier that is also found in frozen state. So frozen state, then we can't take as well. Now rest of the 0.8%, rest of the 0.8% is fresh water. Fresh water means potable water that we can take. So what is fresh water also called? This is called potable water. Potable means fit for drinking. Potable means fit for drinking. This is fit for drinking purpose. Okay. So this 0.8% can be used for different purposes, for cooking, for drinking, for all this purpose we can use the rest of the 0.8%. What is this? 0.8%. And it is found in river, lake, groundwater. River water is fresh water, lake water is fresh water, and groundwater means the water that is found under the ground, underground water. Okay, that is also comes under the category of fresh water. So all this 0.8% we can consume, we can use. Okay, now you look at the screen.